Imagine you wake up one morning and decide you're done with your current bank. You want a fresh start, a different financial journey. But how do you go about deleting your account? Today, we're diving into that very question, specifically for Vivid Money. Ever felt trapped in a financial relationship? Like you're stuck with a bank that just isn't cutting it? Well, you're not alone. And the good news is, you have options. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of deleting your Vivid Money account, let's understand why you might want to do so. Perhaps you've found a better financial app, or maybe you're simply ready for a change. Whatever your reason, it's important to know that you have the power to choose. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get to the main event. How do you actually delete your Vivid Money account? Log into your account. The first step is to open the Vivid Money app on your device and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings menu. This is usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. Find the Delete Account option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option labeled Delete Account or something similar. This might be under a section like General or Profile. Confirm your decision. Once you've located the Delete Account option, tap on it. The app will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Follow the instructions. After confirming your decision, the app will guide you through the process of deleting your account. This may involve providing additional information or confirming your identity. Additional considerations. While the above steps are generally straightforward, there are a few things to keep in mind. Outstanding balances. Before deleting your account, make sure you've settled any outstanding balances or debts. This is crucial to avoid any financial complications. Data transfer. If you have any important financial data stored within your Vivid Money account, consider transferring it to another account or platform before deleting it. Customer support. If you encounter any difficulties during the deletion process, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid Money's customer support. They can assist you and provide any necessary guidance. Deleting your Vivid Money account is a relatively simple process, but it's important to approach it with care. By following the steps outlined in this video and considering the additional factors mentioned, you can smoothly transition to a new financial platform. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember, you have the power to choose your financial journey. If Vivid Money isn't the right fit for you anymore, don't be afraid to explore other options. Until next time.